Lima Victor, KALV.
ELAB.
ENTA, Enanta Pharma, to present data for its
ASTC is
STAT6
active.
inhibitor program at Immunology
ERQR.
2026. That's Echo November Tango Alpha.
ELAB. ELAB alert rallying 10%. PHIO.
CNTB, Connect Biopharma announcing
Hollow.
top-line data from phase 1 study of IV rademikibart. That's Charlie November Tango Bravo, CNTB. MOOD, Dosology,
CLAB.
announcing $2 million financing to
CNTB is
accelerate
hot.
commercialization of a oral
CNTB
stimulant
heating
pouch
up.
platform. That's
CNTB
Michael
big
Oscar,
spread.
Oscar Delta.
Hold on,
ELAB.
we getting a hot
CNTB big spread.
CNTB. We getting a hot market, low key.
CNTB big spread.
CNTB alert exploding 10%. CNTB alert spiking 15%. CNTB should be good.
CNTB big spread.
Oh my goodness.
CNTB.
CNTB.
CNTB popping to $4.45 at the high on that news. ELAB,
NIXX.
disregard that.
ELAB. NRXP looking strong.
NRXP.
Let's do this. Blackout. Out.
ELAB alert rallying 10%. ELAB. CNTB alert surging 10%. ELAB alert exploding 15%. ELAB surging. ELAB. ELAB getting attention. ELAB. ELAB positive. Holdings Incorporated reports 2025 annual results files.
Getting overwhelmed.
ELAB. SGML.
We haven't had a hot market like this
ELAB.
in a minute.
ELAB alert parabolic 20%.
I wonder why it's doing.
ELAB warming up. ELAB.
AVX.
ELAB.
TSSI big spread.
TSSI on the move. ASTC is active.
Let's take this off.
Air.
Actually, no. I'm gonna keep that.
RVYL. EIQ. RVYL.
TNON.
ELAB. ELAB. ASTC. ELAB.
DFSC watch the spread. NUWE.
UMAC.
SGML.
SGML heating up. Hollow.
SGML.
Hollow. RZLV. SGML.
SGML.
ASTC. CNTB. ELAB. ELAB is active. ELAB. ELAB in play.
SGML.
SGML is active. SGML.
SGML.
SGML. EIQ.
SGML.
CNTB. SGML maybe.
SGML.
SGML trying. SGML.
Not even
SGML
paying attention
building.
to SGML.
ASTC is hot. ASTC. SGML should be good.
SGML. SGML. SGML.
CNTB. LAR.
SGML big spread.
SGML trying. FGI. FGI is hot. FGI in play. ELAB. RVYL. UGRO is active. RVYL. CNTB alert tanking 10%. CNTB.
You can go.
ASTC is active. ASTC. UGRO showing strength. UGRO.
ASTC. TNON.
ASTC.
VNRX.
UGRO.
ASTC. ASTC. EPOW.
ASTC alert up 10%. ASTC. UGRO. CNTB alert tanking 10%. ASTC. ASTC looking good. ASTC alert exploding 15%.
IGC.
ASTC alert ripping 20%.
Yep.
ASTC. ASTC activity increasing.
ASTC. ASTC.
Oh.
ASTC.
UGRO.
Oh, this one look good. Is this gonna hold though?
ASTC is active.
Dang, we have
ASTC
been
progressing.
Kinda
UGRO. ASTC.
in a fire market right now. I think we're picking back up. Why
UGRO.
the past 3 months have been so slow? Why is it that
UGRO
it's
is active.
beginning to be in April where it starts to pick up?
UGRO. SGML is hot. SGML gaining momentum.
SGML. CDTG.
JCSE.
NUWE.
UGRO. UGRO. UGRO is active.
UGRO big spread.
ELAB. JCSE. ELAB. UGRO in play.
SGHT Side Sciences
ELAB.
wins court order upholding Hydra's patent verdict awards $34
UGRO.
million in damages. That's Cindy Golf Hotel Tango.
CNTB. UGRO alert rallying 10%. UGRO.
Dang, bruh. What is going on?
UGRO is active. ELAB.
LICN big spread.
ASTC. SGML is hot. SGML on the move.
SGML. SGML.
ASTC. 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 ELAB. Anna is hot. Anna. UGRO. UGRO. ELAB. UGRO. UGRO is hot. UGRO looking strong. UGRO. ELAB.
We already had like
UGRO on watch.
stocks that broke
UGRO.
up already.
UGRO. ELAB. UGRO. UGRO exploding 15%.
UGRO.
UGRO. UGRO worth monitoring.
UGRO.
Dang, this one's already up $5.
UGRO.
Auth.
CNTB. CNTB. BATL. UGRO ripping 10%. Hollow.
NNVC.
JCSE. CNTB. CNTB. CNTB is active. Turb. ELAB. ELAB. UGRO. UGRO. UGRO interesting action. ELAB. UGRO. ASTC.
RPRX
ASTC
and
alert
J&J
plunging
Royalty
20%.
Pharma announced agreement to advance development of J&J
ELAB.
4804 for autoimmune
ELAB
diseases.
climbing.
That's RPRX,
ELAB is
RPRX
active.
and J&J.
ELAB. ELAB. Roma. ELAB. EIQ. Roma. ELAB. Roma. Roma. Roma developing setup. ASTC.
PHIO, File Pharmaceuticals, entered agreement with USC GMP manufacturer for PH762. That's Papa Hotel India Oscar. PHIO.
ELAB.
BIOA.
Roma is hot. ELAB gaining momentum. Roma pushing higher. Roma. Roma alert popping 10%.
Step 1. Go
Roma.
to rover.com.
Roma alert exploding 15%. Roma in play. Hollow. ONDS. Roma alert parabolic 15%. ASTC alert bleeding 15%. ASTC. JCSE. Roma. Roma. IQ surging. IQ. Roma. ELAB. Roma. Roma is active. Roma. Roma showing activity. Roma.
Roma.
Hollow. ELAB. IQ. ELAB. ZNB. FGI. Roma. EIQ.
OBAI.
ZNB. EVTL. EIQ. ELAB. FGI. FGI. EIQ. ELAB is active. ELAB heating up. ELAB.
ELAB.
FGI. ELAB. ELAB.
LAB isn't really going anywhere.
FGI. FGI is active. ELAB.
Yeah, that way.
ELAB. ELAB volume present. ELAB. ELAB maybe. EVTL picking up steam.
ELAB. EVTL.
ZNB. ELAB.
EVTL. EVTL.
EVTL is active. EVTL. UGRO. UGRO negative. Urban GRO announced its entry into Global T20. UGRO. SGML. SGML Sigma Lithium shares are trading higher after EIQ. EVTL. EIQ.
EVTL.
EVTL. EIQ. EVTL. EIQ. 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 EIQ price stabilizing. UGRO is active. UGRO. UGRO popping 5%. UGRO. EIQ. UGRO trend developing. EIQ. UGRO. UGRO. EIQ. UGRO. SGML is hot.
SGML.
SGML.
SGML moving with power. SGML.
I think I just seen that one. That one's not going anywhere.
Hollow.
IMA watch the spread.
ELAB.
ATHE big spread.
ELAB.
88. What? Oh,
EVTL.
Let's check that one out.
EVTL.
ATHE big spread.
ATHE building. ATHE
Frozen, or are
progressing.
we going up? What is it?
EVTL. ELAB. LAR. ASTC. ELAB. ASTC. EIQ. ELAB. ASTC. ASTC. ASTC basing.
ASTC.
ASTC.
Oh,
ASTC
ick.
is active.
Look at this
CCL is hot.
breakout and then immediate pullback.
ASTC.
I
ASTC.
don't want to mess with that one.
ASTC. ASTC alert ripping 10%.
ARTO
ASTC
was
showing
the
strength.
hitter on Friday. Look at
UMAC.
this, low was $2, high is $19.91.
UMAC climbing.
So many holds
UMAC.
on the upside. So this one's getting holds on the downside.
ELAB. EBTL. LTRN. Hollow.
Way watch the spread. Way.
LTRN. LTRN progressing. ELAB. ELAB.
Fat.
ELAB is active.
ELAB.
ELAB heating up. LTRN.
Mu watch the spread.
EIQ. EIQ. ASTC. EIQ. EBTL.
BFRG.
FBLG halted because of news.
Wonder if I would be pushing my Wi-Fi if I
BFRG.
did
BFRG heating up.
TikTok as
ASTC.
well.
EIQ.
Let's see.
EIQ.
Benzinga exclusive. Virtuix signs cooperative R&D agreement with the U.S. Navy for Omni One systems.
EIQ.
Financial terms not
EIQ starting to
disclosed.
move.
VTIX,
4:30.
Victor
So we should get
Tango,
another breakout
India,
as well.
X-ray.
VTIX watch the spread.
EIQ.
VSME.
EIQ.
VTIX big spread.
VTIX gaining momentum. VTIX trying.
Hold on, bruh. Let's type in
EIQ.
BFRG.
BFRG cheap stock popping 15%.
We don't
BFRG
touch
is hot.
anything below
EIQ.
$1, so we're not gonna mess
BFRG.
with that one.
BFRG. FEMY.
BFRG.
Let's see if I
BFRG
push
cheap stock
one.
ripping 20%.
BFRG.
ASTC. BFRG. BFRG cheap stock up 30%. BFRG.
BFRG.
BFRG. BFRG cheap stock rallying 40%.
BFRG. BFRG.
BFRG.
Damn, what is going on
BFRG gaining
today?
traction.
We got
BFRG.
some crazy
BFRG.
stuff going.
BFRG. BFRG cheap stock up
Even though it's a penny
50%.
stock, it did
BFRG
jump up
climbing.
QSI.
a large amount.
BFRG. BFRG.
BFRG.
BFRG.
BFRG is active. BFRG. BFRG picking up.
Dang, bro.
AMIX. PLG.
BFRG. ELAB. ASTC. ASTC. ASTC.
Dang, that thing just went up to $1. Should I just
ASTC.
hold this the whole day?
IGC.
ASTC. ELAB alert crashing 10%. ASTC. ASTC building momentum. ASTC. ASTC alert parabolic 10%. ASTC. ASTC. ASTC is active. ASTC. BFRG. BFRG cheap stock exploding 40%. FBLG is expected to resume in 20 seconds. ELAB. BFRG. BFRG cheap stock ripping 50%. ELAB. EBTL. BFRG. BFRG.
Pushing the internet to the max right now.
U.S. President Donald Trump says in a new Truth Post that the U.S. is in serious discussions with a new and more reasonable regime to end the U.S.'s military operations in Iran, but goes on to say that
SGML.
if a deal is not reached,
Roman.
the U.S. would completely Iran's electrical generating plants, oil wells, and Karg Island.
BFRG. IQ. ELAB. ELAB Holdings shares are trading higher after company. SGML is hot. SGML. SGML moving with power. Roma. ELAB. ELAB,
WKEY Big Spread.
SGML, PTON, SGML,
SGML.
Bro, SGML is not going anywhere.
BFRG, ASTC,
WKEY Big Spread.
WKEY pushing higher,
ATLX.
Wow, I just had music playing. I hope I don't get copyright for that. ELAB was a good one right there. That was a good one.
BFRG,
I did try to trade
Roma.
EIQ on this pullback, but it completely
ONDS.
flushed right at market open, which I was expecting. That's why I didn't stay into it that long.
EBTL,
Um,
RZLV,
nor did I go aggressive with that position size.
ELAB,
ELAB is at the top of the scanner though.
ELAB, 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 SGML,
BFRG, Bullfrog AI, shows up about 37 cents now at 87 cents after the company
ELAB
announced
alert up 10%.
agreement with top
BFRG.
5 global pharma company to
ELAB.
identify and prioritize therapeutic target and major depressive disorder. That's
EBTL,
BFRG.
LTBR Big Spread.
BFRG, ELAB, BFRG, EBTL, ASTC, SGML climbing, SGML,
Must have been SGML. I don't like this one. It's not too much volume pumping into this stock, so we're just gonna stick with ELAB because that's at the top of the
EIQ.
scanner. But that could have been from
BFRG,
previous on Friday. This is like post market from Friday, so
EBTL,
I don't know.
VG, SGML is hot, SGML, BFRG, BFRG Bullfrog AI Holdings shares are trading higher, EIQ, BFRG,
XRTX. Game.
BFRG. UGRO. ASTC. UGRO. ASTC. 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 UGRO. ASTC. BFRG. BFRG is hot. BFRG looking strong. BFRG alert ripping 15%. BFRG.
BFRG, another pop here, $1.07 now. Bravo Foxtrot Romeo Golf, BFRG.
Riley big spread.
Oh, this is the one. See, I don't. This was below
PRQR.
$1, so I don't really
PRQR on the move. UGRO.
want to mess with that one.
UGRO. NIO. BFRG alert ripping 15%.
CVU big spread.
EIQ. ASTC. ELAB. ELAB alert bleeding 10%. ELAB. EIQ. ASTC. EIQ. ELAB. EIQ.
Gold
BFRG.
spiking here now, 45.97.
EIQ.
This
BFRG.
one completely flushed. Low was 7.
Gold right now up about $75
PHIO.
at the highs, over 4,600.
ASTC. FBLG is expected to resume in 20 seconds.
Skill.
EIQ. ELAB. EIQ.
Is the stock market going to be green today? Let's see. Let me just look at my phone.
EIQ.
Pretty sure we had a massive sell-off on Friday. 27.
EIQ.
Starting to consolidate. I would expect, depending on the news, if no crazy news comes out, then we should go back to at least for the S&P 500
PSLV.
at least 6,400.
BFRG.
Definitely would outclose those puts.
BFRG.
VTIX.
I'm not expecting any crazy news to drop today. Because right now Trump is talking about
BFRG. VTIX
a
surging.
new peace plan with Iran. So
EIQ. EIQ.
EIQ, man, that would be a good one. I wish we could trade
BFRG.
at like 2 a.m.
BFRG.
PCSA big spread.
ASTC. Roma. RZLV showing strength. RZLV. VRDN is hot.
We did have a fire like 10 minutes of pre-market for 4 a.m.
ASTC. Roma. BFRG. ASTC on the move. ASTC.
SGML.
SGML. SGML building pressure. VTIX alert dumping 10%. BFRG.
SGML. SGML. SGML.
SGML is active. SGML.
Bro, where can I get an engine and a tire from? SGML. Pretty sure that one had like. Oh no, that one's. It's still not a
ASTC.
good one. BFRG.
EIQ. ELAB. Anna. EIQ.
Gold continuing to spike here now, 46.0580.
BFRG. ZNB. EIQ. VRDN is hot. ELAB. VRDN building pressure.
VRDN big spread.
ELAB. ELAB. ELAB.
WKSP. PDYN.
UGRO. ELAB. ELAB picking up steam. ELAB. ELAB.
Bro, we're not
ASTC.
picking up no steam. Okay, we got like 8 minutes till 5 a.m. till we get another breakout.
BFRG.
I like my 5
UGRO.
a.m. breakouts. That.
ELAB.
That would be hidden.
BFRG. BFRG. FBLG is expected to resume in 20 seconds. BFRG climbing. BFRG.
JFBR big spread.
BFRG. BFRG is active.
GSUN.
This really went from 60 cents, no, 50 cents all the way up to $1.13. But I don't like trading anything below $1 anyway. I could have sworn that said Queen Latifah. I was about to get excited.
BFRG. BFRG.
Bro, how do you get rid of water spots like this? Nobody. Let's ask ChatGPT. Nobody on TikTok is telling me, because they're all car dudes, you know, like how to get rid of etched water spots
ASTC.
on car.
ASTC. ASTC. Open.
It says polish, but
EIQ.
get 5 minutes till another breakout.
NIO. ELAB. BFRG alert rallying 10%. EIQ. ZNB. ZNB. ELAB. ASTC. BFRG. ASTC.
There's still nothing. Okay, 3 more minutes.
GBH.
3 more minutes.
ELAB. 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 TURB. ELAB. GBH. ELAB. 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 ELAB progressing. ELAB. BFRG. ASTC. SGML. GBH. SGML.
1 more minute. And if we don't get anything for 5, then I'ma end
GBH
it.
progressing.
You feel me?
GBH.
GVH,
GBH.
GVH,
FBLG is expected to resume in 20 seconds.
PGY,
Wait.
PGY
dang,
breaking out.
I didn't hear what he said.
JCSE moving with power.
UBER, Uber to acquire service,
SAGT.
Uber
SGML.
to acquire Blacklane, that's UBER. AUPH
LHSW,
and KZR,
SAGT
Aurinia
picking
to
up
acquire
steam.
Kezar Life Sciences
ASTC.
for $6.95 per in cash per
GBH is
share,
active.
plus a contingent
GBH.
value right. That's
SAGT.
AUPH, Alpha Uniform Papa
SGML is
Hotel.
active. SGML. SGML building pressure. EIQ alert up 25%. GBH. SGML.
GVH, SGML, SGML,
SGML.
Kezar
SGML.
shares were halted ahead of that
ONTS.
news.
SGML, SAGT,
JCSE.
SAGT, Sandy Alpha
SAGT.
Golf Tango.
JCSE.
Ooh.
StackTech Global to launch sovereign
JCSE
AI data
is
center
active.
powered by NVIDIA
JCSE.
GPU
BFRG.
architecture.
SAGT
That's
is
Sandy
hot.
Alpha Golf Tango.
APRE breaking out. APRE alert up 25%. APRE alert exploding 40%. APRE is hot. APRE. BFRG.
APRE, SAGT, APRE, APRE, GOAI,
EIQ. EIQ.
SCKT, Socket Mobile, announcing $500,000 secured subordinated convertible note financing. Sandy Charlie Kilo Tango.
Okay, so I'm not seeing
APRE, Aprea
anything
Therapeutics,
else.
highlights emerging clinical
So much
activity
is
for
ended.
WEE1 inhibitor, APR 1051. Alpha Papa Romeo Echo, APRE. BRTX,
force the
BioRestorative
traders.
Therapies,
APRE trial
reports phase
results
2
are
blinded
looking good.
data for
Early
BRTX
traders.
100 demonstrating meaningful
FGI.
improvements. In pain and function and chronic lumbar disc disease, that's BRTX, Bravo Romeo Tango X-ray.
JCSE. JCSE alert crashing 10%.
RZLV, Resolve AI delivers 543% H2 growth, raises 2026 revenue guidance $360 million.
JCSE.
That is
EIQ alert collapsing
RZLV,
20%.
Romeo Zulu Lima
GTE big
Victor.
spread.
JCSE.
Hold on, let me take
JCSE.
JCSC.
SGML.
SGML is hot. SGML breaking out.
SGML.
AOK Alaska Air expects Q1 adjusted loss per share of $2 to $1.50.
SGML.
Unit revenue in line with
SGML big spread.
expectations. Capacity up about
APRE.
2%. Underlying demand strength that began in Q4 and accelerated into New Year has been challenged by several external events. With respect to Hawaii, do not believe there will be longer-term structural impact and expect
ELAB.
demand to fully recover.
BFRG.
Q1 economic fuel price expected $2.90 to $3.